Hey, it's TaxQuips time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama hears from Gary in the TaxQuips Forum, who has this problem. Let me paraphrase. Gary has already filed his LLC's tax return, reporting all his income properly. Suddenly, 3 weeks past the 1099 deadline, he gets a 1099 showing income he received, plus reimbursements for materials and supplies that were not income to him. The client's accountant won't correct the 1099 miscellaneous. What should Gary do? Well, my friends, this is for Gary and all other freelancers, and this is a very important concept, one that has caused a lot of trouble for people in business for themselves who provide services and get reimbursed for supplies, material, travel, and other things. And this turns into a 1099 battle every year. Often, this also results in audits, where IRS makes some unpleasant assessments on one side or the other. So, let me make this perfectly clear. Anything that your client or customer pays you is income to you, period. It's not personal. Account for it on your books. If they're reimbursing you for your expenses or the materials you used in the course of making something, building something, or fixing something, it's still income to you. Those reimbursements become part of your total gross income. But wait! Never fear. You won't have to pay tax on that income. You get to deduct the cost of those things for which you're being reimbursed. Be sure to keep a copy of the invoices you submitted for those reimbursements so you have proof of what you paid. You'll get to take the deductions for the expenses on your own business tax return. So yes, the 1099 miscellaneous is supposed to include the total amount paid to you by your client or customer. In fact, if you read the instructions for the 1099 miscellaneous, you see that it specifically spells this out. On the very first page, under specific instructions, it says, at least $600 in rents, services including parts and materials. So please be kind. Stop yelling at the poor accountant who issued the 1099 to you and start recording all your income on your books, okay? And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about small businesses and other tax issues free. Where? Where else? At TaxMama.com.